In casino gaming systems, logs are generated to keep track of all the errors that occur in a system. These are hard to read, hard to organize, and even harder to understand. Our goal was to go from these logs of text into something more useful. This will help the user to understand the information without having to go through the logs, trying to figure out what happened and where the error occurred. This is where our project comes in. Visualization is highly important to our system. Our system is built to show the user what has gone wrong, where it has gone wrong, and how it's being fixed. With the visualization in our system and in the context of a casino, it saves money, time, and effort. The Watchdog can do this by providing the user with automated hard drive and database recovery mechanisms. This is important for large databases, such as casino accounting systems, because it ensures optimal uptime. Downtime in casino accounting systems equates to large losses in revenue.
Welcome to the UI for the Watchdog program. The Watchdog program has two distinct modes, Design Mode and Simulation Mode. In Design Mode, we are capable of drawing a graphical representation of a physical computer network. While in Design Mode, there are many tools available to the user to draw the network. These include Cut, Copy, Paste, Delete, unlimited levels of Undo and Redo. There are multiple nodes available in our computer network. This node represents a computer. This is the actual computer on which the video is currently being recorded. Below that, this node represents a database. The database path is represented here in the Properties field. Below the database node is a hard drive node. Hard drive diagnostic information can be viewed in the Properties field here. Signal and slot nodes are used to relay status changes throughout our computer network. This is an example of a signal node, and this is an example of a slot node. Alongside that, the database heal node provides redundant recovery through database backup, and below that, the hard drive heal node also provides redundant recovery for hard drives. Finally, we have two notification nodes in our network, the SMS text message node, where the recipient number can be viewed and edited in the Properties field, and the email node, where the recipient email address can also be viewed and edited in the Properties field. We can now demonstrate the operation of the Watchdog program. To do this, we will add a database node into our computer network. This dialog allows us to select the path to the actual database. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will use a sample database.
This database, whose path is shown here in the property box, powers a website which can be seen here. The green squares indicate healthy information in the database. As you can see, all the tables in the database are correct. We will now simulate a corruption in our database. To do so, I will select the database and switch to simulation mode. As you can see, as indicated by this green check mark in the bottom right, the current system status is OK. I will select the database and click on the Simulate Corruption button. This dialog allows us to select the type of corruption that we want to simulate.
Now that a corruption has been generated in this database, the path to the nearest database backup is highlighted in red. Automatic text message and email notifications have been sent to system administrators, informing them of the change in system status. After returning to the web page and refreshing, we can see that red squares indicate bad data within the database, and that the database is indeed corrupted. After returning to the Watchdog application, we can now simulate a restoration of this database through the database backup. Now that the database has been restored from its backup, the system status returns to OK. Returning to the web page and reloading, we can now see that the tables all indicate that the data is correct within the database. This now concludes the demonstration of the Watchdog program. Thank you for watching.